About 10 more minutes. We're starting to caramelize. You start out, see the bottom where almost all the moisture is gone? This pan, I killed it. I would caramelize them. They're just see right there? They're just starting to caramelize. But I'd rather do this because I'm making these hot onions. But I wanted to show you what perfectly fried onions look like. See how they kind of stick together? If you're putting these on a hot dog or a sausage sandwich, me, when I do it, I always do the onions separate and then the peppers separate. They cook at different speeds. This is good to go. Let it come to room temperature, put it in the fridge, and use it when you need it. I got some turkey sausage and I got some regular pork sausage, so I wanted to do something with this.